Okay.
Let's roll. Hello and welcome to Aluvia Chocolate Farm. Sorry, to Aluvia Chocolate Farm in Vietnam. Today we're here to take you through the process of making chocolate from bean to bar. What's up guys, it's me, Mr. Bradley, and today we're going to be learning about the process of making chocolate. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button and get ready. So the starter questions on your screen right now. Come with me, we might find the Oompa Loompa on the way.
Is there a chocolate river anywhere?
That's a lovely sign. That is a lovely sign. We're just waiting here.
Yeah, they're bringing us a wee chocolate drink. Not that I know
Okay,
everything on the tour. Can I just say this is for Connor's birthday present?
Nice.
Clever girl.
Come on.
Come on.
Chocolate.
So, it smells delicious. Oh.
Cheers.
Oh, hot dog.
I find you.
Yeah.
And first up, we have the cocoa tree. Where are you going? Here in Aluvia, there's over 2,500 cocoa trees that are used to grow the cocoa pods. There's a storm coming. The pods produce the beans, and farmers take great care to make sure that the trees are healthy and producing high quality pods. Click. Oh, look what we got here. Wicca! And it's opened up just like that. Here's one I prepared earlier. So this is cocoa pods inside of the cocoa beans. So these are actually harvested by hand. The farmers will just twist them off the trees. You probably can harvest them by a machete as well, which is the exact thing that's used to open the pods. Harvesting. Yeah. This is what's going on here. Opening up the cocoa pods.
Oh,
wow.
You can eat?
I can eat?
Yeah. Go on then.
This is brilliant. Okay.
Smell like chocolate?
No, it doesn't smell at all.
Oh.
Let's give it a go. Oh, wow. So, oh, better on the inside. This tastes absolutely nothing like chocolate, but it's actually really tasty. This is quite sweet on the outside. The inside is not so tasty. It's really bitter.
Is it?
It's almost like eating coffee granules.
Gross.
Sorry about that. I think the outside, yeah, this white part's really nice. And it does, it kind of tastes chocolatey. Texture. Well, it is just a fruit at the end of the day.
So, chocolate is fruit, so eat more chocolate, guys. 1 of your 5 a day.
Yeah. So once these pods are harvested, they're left to ferment. They're left in a moist, warm area where bacteria can grow, and the bacteria will help to break down the sugars of the cocoa beans, and that is actually what gives the chocolate its nice, delicious taste. Wow. So next step of the process is drying the cocoa beans out in the sun. You're doing a really bad job. You're supposed to be spreading them out. Spreading them out. Oh, it smells like chocolate. So next the beans are extracted from the pods and left out to dry in the sun. Whoa.
Wow.
You were saying?
What?
The chocolate gods are angry.
I think mine's a bit pointless with this big beard on my face, but sure. Say nothing. Go. Okay, into the factory, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. After it's dried, it's time to start roasting. So she put it in through a machine, it spun the cocoa beans round and round while shooting up hot air at 150 degrees. This cooks the beans and gives them this nice aroma, this nice taste that's used for chocolate. Those cocoa beans are now going into the grinder. After they've been roasted, they're ground, and you can see that they ground it, some into a very fine powder, others into a coarser powder, and that's how the cocoa nibs are made.
Happy birthday, Connor.
after that, the cocoa nibs are then used to make chocolate. So they'll be mixed around in these big machines that sort of breaks it up, grinds it up into a paste that can be used with chocolate. Sometimes it's mixed with other things. Finally, it's melted, poured into the molds. Shaking it to get rid of the bubbles. Once the bubbles are out, it can be left in the fridge. You get this, you just tap it down like that. Alright, just tap it down. This is how we do it in Ireland, right? Oh, right, okay, alright. It's even got like oil on top of it. I think she's really not impressed. Look at all the bubbles.
You're really bad.
Look at the bubbles.
Wow, I don't think you're supposed to have bubbles.
Oh, mine's just an arrow.
Okay. Hey, the fridge ceremony.
And after that, the chocolate is ready to be packaged, wrapped, and consumed.
Yeah.
So now we're on to the packaging of the chocolates.
Okay. Pay attention. No, watch.
Oh, this is really bad at wrapping. Can I show this off? Lovely packaging. Can you pick the best one? Which one's the best? Yeah, it's not good. I lose. Third place is okay. Third's not bad. Oh. Oh. The best part. Yeah, thank you. Come on. Go on.
This is the best day ever.
And so we've come to the end of our video about the process of making chocolate. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out some of the other videos on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.